Hello there and welcome to my channel Review Information. In this video I will show you how to check TikTok version in your Android device. Let's see how to do this. First of all, go to TikTok app from your apps list. Then go to your profile from the bottom of the right corner. Tap on the three vertical dot at the top right corner. Scroll down to the very bottom and at the bottom of the page you can see the version of your TikTok app. That is how you can check your TikTok app's version. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.